What's interesting that I'm going to talk about is that I'm pushing BIM through assets. Even though we're a massive developer as a housing association, corporate plan targets to do 10,000 homes over the next 8 years. It's really BIM is being driven by me in the asset management part of the business.
This morning I have been at the BIM in Housing breakfast event, and I've been discussing a case study that I have as being part of Great Places Housing Group, where we have applied BIM to an existing building. It's an existing tower block that's situated in Blackburn, which is in Lancashire, and the BIM has been used to address investment works, fire safety works, and it's helped inform a whole options appraisal which allowed it to get board approval for works to proceed.
I think where I'd like to get to is get all our towers BIM'd, probably in the next 2 years. I do know that some organisations are looking at the digitisation of all their stock, and that's really interesting to see how that's going to be done.
The BIM model has been supported by the fire service, is being used as a beacon of good practice, and as an organisation we are now rolling that out to other tower blocks within our portfolio. We've learnt quite a lot over the last 12 months. I think for me it's about having the right people involved in the whole process. It's about having patience, it's about constant checking, and it's also about keeping our residents informed of what's happening as well, because at the end of the day we've had to get behind the front door of all our residents in the block, and we've had to make sure that they feel safe in that building as well. So that a learn would be to really involve them in at the start of what we're trying to achieve, so we're not scaring them. So that was probably one of the main things that we've learned over the last 12 months.